Rukmini Bai is also interesting because she's so sensual, you know. And how does somebody with Sham, you've done so many complex roles. You know, Nishant is such a complex character. So was Ankur and Mandi. So how does Sham explain and prepare his actor for all these layers? Because how much is in the script and how much do you adapt it on your own or it's conversations with him? That is something interesting to know.
You know, I had got into a very happy working relationship with Shyam Benegal, where when he used to go for location hunting, I used to go along with him. And so it was the cameraman, it was Ashok Mehta, it was Shyam Benegal and me and one other assistant of his. And
Have you done that in all the films? Almost.
I started doing that with him in Mandia, much before Mandi actually. Because I did some documentary films with him also before that. But then what would happen is he's a very talkative person, Sham. And so he would tell me lots of things about my character, about other characters and all of that. And in fact, because we'd gone earlier, I said, all right, let me also shop for the other characters in the film. And I did all of that. And then when we actually went to the shooting, he'd forgotten everything that he told me. So it was left to me to receive that information, collate it and keep it ready for the part. Because at that time, he's dealing with 40 actors. He's got lots of things on his mind. So it's in this constant conversation. And what I found wonderful about Sham is I know for sure one thing, that Sham might not give me clear instructions about how exactly he wants me to play a scene. But I know for sure that he will stop me from making an ass of myself. And that encourages actors to take risks, to do things that they haven't done. Otherwise, actors, and it becomes much easier to know that, all right, in a tight 75 mm, this is good. And that's all you need to do. But that's a standard response, and it's not sort of trying to look out of the box. With Shyam Benegal, you can do that because you know this he will never allow. So I think that is a very, very good relationship with an actor.
Very interesting. Before we see the next audiovisual, in Mandi you also sang a song. Can you just hum a few lines?
You know, with my throat like...
You know, I have to say that Shabana celebrated her birthday, the 60th last night, and we were all on the dance floor, almost living up to Javed Akhtar's Where's the Party Tonight on the dance floor. And it's been a great effort to get up and come, so you all have to just bear with us, okay?
And so our voices are really gone, but I will... It's actually a little ditty that my mother used to always sing. And Sham heard me humming it, and he said, it's wonderful, let me put it in the film. And so I'll try with this croaky voice, sorry. My kitti bar bola na ji ujla kapda pehno nakko kaal kapda pehno nakko ujla kapda pehno nakko. मैं कितनी बार बोला ना जी उजला कपड़ा पहनो नक्को काला कपड़ा पहनो नक्को उजला कपड़ा पहनो नक्को. Thank you.